Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's video I'll show you how to add multiple Gmail accounts to your device. This skill is super handy if you manage different email addresses for work, personal use, or other purposes. It helps you switch better between accounts easily without the hassle of logging out and back in. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Gmail on your favorite web browser and signing into your main account. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, look up to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a profile icon. It might be your photo, initials, or an avatar depending on your setup. Click this icon. When you click the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Add Account and click on it. This will take you to the Google Sign Up page where you can either enter the email address of a new account you want to add. Type in the email address of the Gmail you want to add and then click Next. You'll be prompted to enter the password for this account. Complete any extra security tips such as two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. This helps keep your account safe even when accessed on multiple devices. Once you're signed in, Google will redirect you back to Gmail. Click your profile icon again and now you'll see the new account added to your list. Switching between accounts is as simple as clicking the profile icon and selecting the account you want to open. Remember, if you want to add more than 2 or 3 accounts, there is no problem. Just repeat the same steps for each Gmail account you want to link. There is practically no limit, so you can add all your emails efficiently in one place without logging in and out repeatedly. And there you have it, guys. In just a few easy steps, you can add multiple Gmail accounts and switch between them smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. Oh, are you fucking